Welcome to SQL tutorials for beginners series. Last video I discussed about the how you can connect to the SQL server, and I also discussed about how we can work with the SQL Server Management Studio, and also I discussed the some functionality of the SQL Server Management Studio, how you can connect multiple service server, and also discuss how you can write the code, comment the code, and execute the code, and also save the data from the SQL Server Management Studio. So completely I discuss in the series 5 of the video. So if you not get the chance to look up this video, okay, so just you can go with the my channel. Okay, so it's already uploaded under the playlist SQL tutorial for beginner, that is the English playlist is there. So just you can go and you can see this video here. So see SQL tutorial for beginner, and also the video link will be provided in the description. So how to connect the SQL server and introduction to SQL Server Management Studio, which is already uploaded. So in this video I will discuss about the how to install a real-time database for training and the practices. So because you need to do the practice, and you need to do some type of the real-time database, so you can easily crack any interview. So if you have the practice on the real-time database, so if you create the manually the real-time database is very impossible. Okay, you cannot create the large amount of data and also you not able to create the relationship. That is a very difficult task. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can upload this real-time database in your machine. So before starting, so if you want to learn the SQL, you can just jump to the pandeguruji.graphy.com, so you can directly interact. So you can see I have total 10 plus years experience in the SQL, and some of the courses is already in the accepting the registration. So it is very low cost, that is the 2499. So you can go and enroll the course. So let's start with how you can upload this real-time database. So you can see I have one file which is I will upload into the Google Drive, and you can file this. You can find the link in the description box of this video. So just you can go and download this data in our local machine, and you can extract it. So if you can look up, we have a couple of the CSV file, that is the sys diagram, and we have total around 30 CSV file. So no need to open that CSV file, but out of the 30 we have only one SQL file where you can find the description that Microsoft SQL Server query file. Okay, so first you can open the SQL Server Management Studio as discussed in last video, and then you can connect to the SQL Server Management Studio. So if you face any difficulty, you can go my previous video. So I explain each and everything. So once you double click on this install database, okay, so it will be open in the SQL Server Management Studio. Now you can see this file is open in the SQL Server Management Studio. So what you need to do after the open the file, just you can go to this under the tool, we have the option. Okay, so under the tool we have the option, and within the option we need to highlight the line number in the SQL. So once you click on the option, it will take taking time. So just you can wait. So I will tell which part of this code you need to update. Okay, so now after the option you need to jump with to the text editor, and then transition language. In general we have the line number, Okay, so now you can see line number got highlighted. So under the line number 39, okay, you need to change the path where this file is located. So let go to the jump. So I put it into this E drive. Under the YouTube we have the SQL training database. So please make sure the backward slash is not no need to remove here. And also here you need to change the database name, whatever do you want to put the database name. Okay, so let's see, I'm putting the SQL session YouTube. Okay, so I put it this database name, but you can see still this red is highlighted. So just you can go to the query, and here you need to select the query CMD mode. Okay, so once you select the query under query CMD mode, and now you can see SQL session YouTube is not, database is not available. So before executing, you can see this database is not available. So once you execute this database under the master, so database automatically created, and it install into our machine. Okay, so just you can download this file whatever I discussed from the Google Drive. That is the link provided into the description box. Okay, so and you can extract the file and put into the local machine D drive or any of the drive, and you can provide the path location where the folder is located. So now you can see here query executed successfully. It means the database got loaded. So now go to the database, and you can refresh this icon. Okay, so now you can see whatever database you created, that is the SQL session YouTube. So now you can see I put it the SQL session YouTube. So now you can click on the plus icon in the left side, and you can see this is the real-time database created. We have this number of the table. So if you try to run this table, just you can select the table, like select star from dim customer. Okay, so lots of table is available for the practice purpose. So you can see this dim customer. So that is the customer. So dim customer. So now if you execute, you can see we have around 18,000 of record is there in this table. Same like this table, we have the fact internet sales. Okay, so all the table are in the relational format, and this is the real-time data, and you can practice all this table whatever I will discuss into this training series program. Okay, so just you can go one by one, no need to go with you any training for the paid training or something. If you really interested to learn the SQL, this tutorial is very helpful for you to learn each and everything, because I am providing each and everything on the series basis. Okay, so there is no miss is there. Okay, so this is the complete of this video. Okay, how to install real-time database for a training practice. Okay, so if you successfully downloaded and install in your machine, just you can please give me confirmation by just typing the S or completed successfully in the video link. Okay, video. So if you face any challenging, okay, so you can directly contact me through the social media platform, and if you have any challenging to installing, you can provide the comment into the video. So definitely I will help you out. Okay, so in the next video I will provide the video based on the type of the SQL languages. So from next video, that is the SQL training is started, the core real-time training will be started. So thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll meet again on next video. Thank you.